Welcome to As Easy as ABCD. Today we are kicking a brand new series called ACE Organic Chemistry, your go-to guide for mastering one of the most challenging subjects in science. Whether you're just getting started or need a solid review, this series will break down tough concepts into simple, easy to understand lessons. Organic chemistry can feel a lot like starting a job in a completely foreign country. Think about it. If you don't speak the language, it's going to be really hard to understand what's going on, let alone do your job well. Now imagine you have landed on a small mythical island, the land of organic chemistry. This place has its own language, its own rules, and your job here is to write and understand chemical reaction. But before you can do that, you need to learn how to speak the language of this island, the and vocabulary of organic chemistry. Whether you're watching online lectures or sitting in class, your instructors are going to use this term a lot. So it's super important to get familiar with them right from the start. Let's dive in and learn words that will make this new land a whole lot easier to explore. Let's begin with something simple but super important: how to count from 1 to 10 in organic chemistry. Instead of numbers, we use special root name for carbon chain. For 1 carbon is meth, 2 carbon is eth, 3 carbon is prop, 4 carbon is bute. Its pronouns bute. 5 carbon is pent, 6 carbon is hex, 7 carbon is pep, 8 carbon is oct, 9 carbon is non, 10 carbon is dec. So once you memorize this list, you will know how to count from 1 to 10 in language of organic chemistry. Why is this important? Because we use this root to name carbon chain in molecules. For example, 1 carbon chain is called methane, 2 carbon chain is called ethane, 3 carbon chain is propane, 5 carbon chain is pentane, and so on. Take a moment and commit these to memory. They will come up again and again. Now let's move to some key vocabulary you will hear often in lectures, books, and exams. Let's go through them quickly. Nucleophile. Nucleophile is a species that has electrons to give. It usually carries a negative or partial negative charge. Think of this an electron donor, electrophile. It wants electron. It is opposite of nucleophile. Has positive or partial positive charge to it. Think of this as an electron acceptor. Aprotic solvent. Aprotic solvent do not contain OH or NH bond. Protic solvent contain OH and NH bond. Example of aprotic solvent, acetone, DMSO. Example of protic solvent, water, alcohol. You will hear this term a lot when talking about reaction mechanism. Lewis acid, electron acceptor. Lewis base, electron donor. Easy to remember. A for acid, A for acceptor. C. Groups are on the same side of the double bond or the ring of carbon. Trans, opposite side of the double bonded carbon or the ring. Halogen. Halogen are elements in a group of periodic table. The most common one in organic chemistry are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Last but not least, carbonyl group. A carbonyl is a carbon double bonded to oxygen. You will see in this group that carbon is double bonded to the oxygen and carbon form 4 bonds. So the other 2 bonds are free to bond with anything else. You will see this group often in reactions um, such as aldehyde, ketones, acid, and so on. And that's it for today's lesson. You have just learned how to count in organic chemistry and picked up some essential vocabulary to get you started. Here is your practice question for today. What is the correct root word for carbon chain with 15 carbon atoms? And what about a chain with 20 carbon atoms? For printable PDF quiz, email us at info@protonlearningcenter.com. Keep practicing, and remember, in this series, we are going to make organic chemistry as easy as ABCD. Thank you for watching. And if you have questions, drop them in the comment.